Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about VeChain. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. That could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. So for my Patreon members, I post video about higher return than gold, must have vitamins during the coronavirus pandemic. Are we going to FOMO into Tesla? And Tesla's secrets. And also, I talk about the next Tezos. Of course, there's a next Tezos. If you miss the Tezos, there's another coin that has the potential as Tezos. Also, which gold and silver coin has high resale value? If you're interested, you can check this out, and you can join my Patreon group and join the movement of maintaining freedom of speech, because there's a lot of things I cannot talk about in YouTube. So there's a interesting thing coming out. This is from one of the researcher in University of Hong Kong, and she defected to the US. She is a whistleblower of some of the stuff that people don't want to know. And I will talk about that in my Patreon group. So if you're interested, you can go to my Patreon group. I can't talk about that in YouTube, because if I talk about this word, and the AI algorithm in YouTube will see this is not a good thing. They don't like to talk about this basically in YouTube. So so if you're interested, you can check out my Patreon group. I'm going to talk about this in details. So let's talk about VeChain. And so VeChain it's very interesting. It's a very interesting project, and the Shanghai Municipal Economics and Information Commission, along with the Financial Information Association, they published a report recognizing VeChain's innovation in the blockchain. So the reports basically highlight three important projects VeChain in Shanghai. They are partnership with Shanghai Gas, Walmart, and H&M Sustainable Deployment. And so in terms of the Shanghai Gas, so obviously it's an energy sector, and they participate in this ecosystem. And so this ecosystem can help the blockchain build together with a new blockchain infrastructure. They can improve trade, financial service innovation, industry data sharing in the province. And also they partner with PricewaterhouseCoopers. Of course, a consulting firm, and this is in terms of like project development and research. And of course, this is the big thing about VeChain is logistic operations. In the logistic, those are logistic tracking the product from start to finish. Those are very important. And in terms of Walmart, they also in cooperation with VeChain and Walmart Shanghai. And both companies, they launched the Walmart China blockchain trading platform. So this is already implement VeChain for blockchain. And basically, they want to track a given product from the beginning of the supply chain until it reached to the nearest Walmart store. So don't forget, in China, there's a lot of counterfeit products in China. So you can have counterfeit formularies. For the baby formularies, they also have a counterfeit wine or salmon or whatnot. So that's why it's very important that they have to trace the products from start to finish. Otherwise, in between, there may be a tamper. So this, unfortunately, they have tons of counterfeit products, like counterfeit soy sauce, counterfeit baby formula, and a lot of baby and I think a lot of baby went to hospital because of the counterfeit baby formula. And so I'm not surprised that they are going to use this type of blockchain technology to track the product from start to finish. And also they also partner with the DMVGL to track and to verify and track products, the materials and processing plans for the H&M group. So H&M is a retail giant, is a fashion in the fashion industry. And basically, they want to find the best sustainable, recyclable material to produce the clothing. The partnership is based on the blockchain MI tracking solution story, so they have a trademark on that. So And basically, this is like a documentation or tracking, complete tracking of products worldwide from the point of production to the end user. So my story has already used to track high quality Italian wine, Norwegian salmon, and also other food products. So that is pretty interesting. I mean, so VeChain, the main thing is the logistic, those tracking the products, stuff like that. And of course, pharmaceutical product is very, very important as well, because it can be tempered, right? So it's very important that they can track the product from start to finish, as well, like vaccine, pharmaceutical products, expensive wine, you name it. So this is a pretty interesting project. Let me know what you think about VeChain. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you as well. And so I will talk about this story in my in a Patreon group. So I'm not going to talk about it here. And very surprisingly, the mainstream media didn't really talk about it. But probably they will talk about it maybe a few weeks from today. If you follow my channel back in January or February, I start talking about this fiasco. I see this coming. So if you follow my channel for quite some time, you probably ahead of the game. This way at least 6 to 8 weeks. Not six, I think 2 months. You are 2 months ahead of everybody. You already know this thing is going to come. This thing is going to be big, because I talk about this back in January. When nobody talk about, I warned everybody back in mid-January, my family, my friends, and they don't believe it either. But they do listen. But some people, of course, they don't listen. So back in mid-January, and then I start talking about in my YouTube in the end of January, and I guess at the time nobody take that seriously. But and whatever I said, unfortunately, this thing has become so big. Right now it's a little bit out of control. I guess the mainstream media is also blowing things out of proportion sometimes as well. But anyway, so if you're interested, you can check out my Patreon video. I'm going to talk about that in detail in my Patreon. This is not good to talk about in YouTube anymore. So I can't talk about those things. Anyway, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe. Also share with your friends, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming video. That could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on YouTube, library.tv, as well as Twitter, and of course Patreon as well. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risks. Use your due diligence. And this video is only for informational and entertainment purposes, not a financial advice. Peace out.